Now let us discuss the third main. The question is, find the area of the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. This is one part. Another part is also there. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. So here, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. So these are the three vertices of one triangle. Let us take them as ABC. I will take this as A, 0, -1, B, 2, 1 and this as C, 0, 3. This is the given triangle, we can say. This is the given triangle. They ask you to find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of this triangle ABC. So here is one point, it is the midpoint of AB. Here is one point, midpoint of BC. Here is one point, midpoint of AC. Find the area of triangle formed by the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are ABC. So let us take this as DEF. They ask you to find the area of triangle DEF. Okay, this area you have to find. This is one part. Another part also they said, find the area of this triangle to the area of the given triangle. You understand that? Find the area of this triangle to the area of given triangle. This triangle means what it is? DEF. Okay, so that you are going to find out, that is this triangle. Find the area of this triangle to the given triangle. Given triangle is what? So ABC is the given triangle for us. Okay, so you have to find a ratio of DEF to the ABC triangle. That is area of DEF to the area of ABC. We have to find it. Okay, let us find first as area of the triangle DEF. Then after we can think about the area. Now, to find the area of triangle DEF, first we have to find the vertices DEF. How we can find DEF? Already they said in the statement, these DEF are the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. So if you want to find the D, so if you want to find D, so D is the midpoint of AC. So let us write one conclusion first. Let D, E and F are midpoints of sides. Midpoints of sides. Which are those? Midpoints of sides. First D is AC, E is AB and F is BC respectively. Okay. Now I am going to find D. So D is equal to, how we can find it? So D is the midpoint of AC. Now we can apply midpoint formula. That is what? X1 plus X2 by 2 comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Here I'll write directly. So this is what? 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 divided by 2 comma X1 plus X2 by 2. -1 plus 3. -1 plus 3 divided by 2. Now this is equals to 0 comma -1 plus 3. 2. 2 divided by 2. That is 1. I got D. Now I will go for F. F is equal to, again, F. 0 plus 2 divided by 2. 0 plus 2 divided by 2, comma. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to, so 0 plus 2, 2 by 2, it is 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Okay. Now, the last point, that is E I will find. E is equals to, E means it is the midpoint of AB. 0 plus 2 divided by 2, comma. -1 plus 1. -1 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 2 by 2, that is 1. -1 plus 1, 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. So I got D point, F and E point. So now I have to find what? So the area of triangle DEF. First I have to find the area of triangle DEF. Let us take, first point I will take this as x1, here only I will write. So this point I will take it as x1 comma y1, otherwise I will write here, no problem. So first point D. So D, what is that? 0 comma 1. This I will take x1 comma y1. Next to D, F. F I will take 1 comma 2. I will take it as x2 comma y2. Next E. E is, what is that? 1 comma 0. So this is x3 comma y3. x3 comma y3. Now we have to find the area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle. What is that? DEF we have to find. Write the formula first. 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Am I right? y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute the values. 1 by 2 into x1 here. x1 is nothing but 0 into y2 minus y3. So 0 into the number is 0. Can leave it. But I will substitute the values. y2 minus y3. y2 is here 2 minus y3. y3 is here 0 plus x2. x2 is here 1 into y3 minus y1. y3 is 0 minus y1. y1 is here 1 plus x3. So x3 is here 1 into y1 minus y2. y1 is here 1 minus y2. y2 is here what? 2. Now this is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 0, 2. 2 into 0 is 0. Leave it. Plus 1, plus into minus, minus 1. Okay. Now here 1 minus 2 it is minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1. That is again minus 1. So here I am getting it as minus 2 divided by 2. So this I am getting it as what? Minus 1. But one thing you should remember, area and distance cannot be negative. So here of course I got minus 1, but at the end I should write plus 1. At the conclusion I have to write a plus. So therefore area of triangle DEF is equal to plus 1 square units. This is what? Plus 1 square units. First part is war. They ask you to find the area of the triangle formed by the midpoints of the sides of the triangle ABC. So this is war. After point they said that find the ratio of the area of this triangle. This means DF to the area of given triangle. Given triangle means ABC. We have to find it. So already we have got area of DF. To find the area of to find the ratio of DF area to the ABC area, I need area of DF. Already I got it. And also I need area of triangle ABC. So then now I want to find area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC. Now this is 1 by 2 into. Now I will rub the board. You pause the video and first you write this. Now area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into So here already in the same problem I had taken x1 and x2 y2 x3 y3 as DF. So now I don't want to take ABC again as x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. You keep in your mind A as x1 y1, B as x2 y2, C as x3 y3, and also the formula also you keep in your mind. Then you can substitute directly. Okay, no problem at all. Already I wrote the formula in the same problem. So they will understand that you know the formula. Okay. So already I written it. No problem. Now I'll substitute it directly. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. In the formula what is there? 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3. x1 0 into y2 minus y3. So y2 is here 1 minus y3 is here 3 plus x2 is here 2 into y3 minus what is y2 minus y3 is over y3 minus y1 y3 is here 3 minus y1 is here minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus now x3. So x3 is here what 0 into y1 minus y2. So y1 is here minus 1 minus y2 is here what 1. So this is area of triangle ABC. 1 by 2 into 0 into a number is 0, leave it. 3 plus 1 4 2s are 8. Am I right? 0 into a number 0, again leave it. So this is 8 by 2, that is I am getting it as 4 square units. So here the area of triangle ABC is a 4 square unit. So I already got area of triangle DF and area of triangle ABC. But now I should write the ratio. So ratio is what? Area of triangle. First is what? DEF ratio. DEF. They ask you to find the area of this triangle. This triangle means DF to the given triangle. Given triangle means ABC it is. So divide is to area of ABC. So this is equal to area of triangle DF. Already I got 1 square into 1 is 2. So area of ABC is 4. Okay. So this is the ratio. Area of triangle DEF to the area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 is to 4. Then fourth main, find the area of the quadrilateral formed by the points taken in order. So these are the these are the vertices of quadrilateral. These are the vertices of quadrilateral. We have to find the area of quadrilateral. Okay, find the area of quadrilateral formed by the points ABCD taken in order. That is important. So you should take for quadrilateral in order only. Okay, so let us take that quadrilateral. Either it may be rectangle or square, whatever it may be. So for understanding purpose, I will draw one quadrilateral. This I will take as A. So A is minus 4 comma minus 2 taken in order. Okay. So now B minus 3 comma minus 5. C 3 comma minus 2. D 2 comma 3. They ask you to find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. So already you know the concept how to find the area of triangle if 3 vertices are the end points of triangle is given. Now I will draw the diagonal AC. Here 2 triangles are formed. Which are those? ACD, one triangle. Another one ACB, another triangle. We can find the area of triangle ACD and ACB. Now you can add them. Automatically you will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So by drawing AC you can find. Otherwise by drawing BD also you can find it. No problem at all. Both are same. So area of triangle ACD plus ABD you are getting as area of quadrilateral. If you draw the area of, if you draw the diagonal BD, you find area of triangle ABD and area of triangle BCD. You have to add this again. You add these 2 triangles, again you will get the same answer. Means area of quadrilateral is same. Okay. Now, so I draw the area of what it is diagonal as BD. Okay. Now let us take A minus 4 comma minus 2. So this I will take as AB. Instead of this one, okay, no problem. X1 Y1 I will take this as X1 Y1. Then B I will take it as minus 3 comma minus 5. X2 comma Y2. Third point D I will take this as X3 comma Y3. So this is D point is what here? 2 comma 3. X3 comma Y3. Okay. So X1 Y1 X2 Y2. This you can take X3 Y3, otherwise you can take this as X3 Y3. No problem. This will be X4 Y4. Now I'll write the formula. Area of triangle ABD is equals to 1 by 2 into, write the formula, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, this is the area of formula. Now substitute the values. 1 by 2 into x1 minus 4, x1 is over minus 4, y2 minus y3, y2 is here minus 5 minus y3 is here 3 plus x3 is here not x3, it is x2 is here minus 3 y3 minus y1, that is 3 minus y1 is here what, minus into minus plus 2 plus x3 is here what, 2 into y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is minus 5, minus into minus plus 5. Okay, now this is equals to 1 by 2 into minus 5 minus 3 minus 8, minus into minus plus 8 4s are 32. Am I right? 3 plus 2 5 plus 5 is plus into minus minus 5 3s are 15. Now minus 2 plus 5, that is plus 3. So plus into plus plus 3 2s are 6. So here I am getting how much? 32 plus 6, 38. 38 minus 15. So 15 plus 8, that is how much? 23 divided by 2. Am I right? So this is 17 plus 6, that is 23 divided by 2 square units. This is what? Square units. Now what we have to find? We have to find now area of triangle. What is that? ABD I got. We have to find the area of triangle BCD. Now area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 by 2 into. Now write, I'll substitute the values directly. Okay, already I have taken x1 and x2 y2 in the same problem. I don't want to take them again. Now let us assume that, keep in our mind, this has x1 y1, x2 y2, this has x3 y3. Okay, by assuming you can substitute the values directly, no problem. Now x1 y1, first one is x1 into y2 minus y3. x1 is here minus 3 into, in the bracket is there what? y2 minus y3. y2 is minus 2 minus y3. y3 is here 3 plus x2 is here what? 3 into. Now y2 minus y3 is what? Now it is y3 minus y1. y3 is 3 minus y1. y1 is here minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5. Okay. Now plus x3. x3 is here 2. y1 minus y2. So minus 5 minus into minus plus 2. Minus 5 plus 2. Okay. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3 into. Now I will write it directly. Minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus into minus plus. 5 3s are 15. Plus 15 it is. Now 5 plus 3 8. 8 3s are 24. Minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. Minus into plus is minus. 3 2s are 6. Now this is equal to 15 minus 6, that is 9. 9 plus 24, that is 33. 33 divided by 2 square units. Okay, this is what? Area of triangle BCD. But now they ask you to find area of quadrilateral. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, so area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Now you can write area of triangle ACD. Otherwise I will substitute directly. You can write it, area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. So that is 23 divided by 2 plus 33 divided by 2. So 56 divided by 2. So how much it is? 28. Am I right now? So this is 28 square units. 28 square units. This is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, you can check yourself by drawing AC as a diagonal. You find the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC. Add them, again you will get the same answer as 28 square units.